da 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 da. Ay, maya na. Balot na. Ay, sayang ang food. Hindi na ubos. Siguro nilagay nila ito avocado. Masarap. Nilagay nila parang Desert Island. This one? Yes. No. Yun lang guys. Kasi sayang pag hindi makinuha. Is it cute? Yan. Malap mo siya guys. Thank you. I need to put my hood on.
Just stop right there, Alma.
Look at you, Boo. You have like oyster over there. Huh. The oyster. Oh, wow. You can just get the oyster there and sell it, right? Right there. Maliit na ko muna. Maliit. Maliit siya, guys. Tapos, dito tayo. Maganda dito. Saan natin? Ay, malaking lansa dito, guys, oh. Ito, malaking lansa, guys. Oh. Uwian na! Uwian na! Uwian na! Uwian na kami. Tugnaw kayo. Tugnaw kaaya. There's got my over there. Oop. I go this way. Kailangan mong vlogging ka ng vlogging. Masasagasaan ka. Yeah, it's nice over here too. They have band maybe right there. Maybe they have band over there. Ito. Oh man! Wow, who's the owner of that private property? Guy, if I'm the owner here, it's already a restaurant, right? You think so? Right over there. Fast food. Fast food, only fast food. That's nice. They might have band there, Yobo. It's summer. Home site for sale.
I need to figure out what the hell this dumbass is doing.
Nice kaya akong cellphone, no? Nice kaya akong cellphone. Wow! They have Wow, they have golf there too. Uy, might be a little stop. Wow.
A ghost there.
Golf. It's like a little marketplace. Little bar something. Wow. This one is getting nicer and nicer. Low country is getting nicer and nicer. It's not really nicer because all the trees are gone. Someday we'll know all the trees are gone. Ganda. Naval Hospital, right over there. Over there. What is that? Skating over there. Punta kami sa Ladies Island, guys. Ladies Island now. Up! Ay, magdali ay! Kaya ka ha. Doon kami galing, maybe. Hindi mo na makikita saan kami galing kanina. Doon kami lang. Ano dyan na? Dati gusto. Doon. Nabunta pa kami dyan sa ano. Tada! Uyog kayo ba? Honda! Ikot kami, guys. Pagpunta ka doon, it's a downtown Beaufort to the left. If you go to the right, it's a Hunter Island. How you know? Because I'm the driver.
Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
We're going to the downtown, right?
Where are you going that way?
Go to the downtown.
What did you just say?
Go to the right, it's going to the island. Hunter Island. Hunter Island.
Hunting.
Fripp Island.
Hunting.
Fripp Island. Hunting Island. Hunting Island.
Yeah, Hunter.
And there's a lot of a crab there, fish that you can hunt. You can hunt the fish. And a deer, you can catch the deer. And you go all the way there, that's the JFF Stories house over there. The Filipino Filipino storehouse. For sale. Lighthouse Center. Lighthouse Center, you have to buy ice. $2. 20 pounds bag of ice. Oh, para to rin ah. Ito mo diya. 100 sa to ah. Para to rin ay. Ano, mas to ba? And dockside over there. I've never been there. And this one is the filling station. The owner is already died. He may rest in peace.
She don't live there long, huh?
Huh?
How old is she?
I don't know, how old is she? Well, I know she's a cool.
What?
She's cool.
She's a queen.
She's a cool woman. She like to play bingo. I don't like, ever like playing some kind of stuff. I don't like it. I don't. That woman must have a lot of money, ha? Melinda, ha? Ha?
I don't know, Alma.
Well, she always want to play bingo.
It's like a drug addict.
Huh?
Like a drug addict, Alma.
Yeah. Drug addict.